Don't fear the unknown. Attack it.
Don't you see? Don't you see? Don't you see? Choose wisely. Don't you see? Don't you see?
Maybe I should go see a doctor.
Don't you see?
Kat, it's not you again. You know, you show up, you taunt me, and you don't even help at all. I mean, if he's not the one, why show me a perfect vision of the future? Is it all a lie? You're just like Nikki. You know, I don't need this. I don't need you, and I don't need anyone.
Sheet capacity at 37%.
These guys won't quit.
Oh my god, you're screwed.
I need you to fly while I make repairs.
It's not happening.
Keep us on course.
Yeah, about that.